In a primetime news exclusive this evening, we hear the chilling story of how a 47-year-old woman was abducted along Old Hope Road in St. Andrew almost a week ago. The family is desperately searching for answers and is offering a $500,000 reward for the victim's safe return. Kelisha Williams has the details.
On Friday, May 30, 47-year-old Lorna Robertson began her regular morning walk in her community, Swallowfield, St. Andrew. She made her way to North Avenue and then she continued on Old Hope Road. As she continued along Old Hope Road and got here, right across from the Diabetes Center, that's when we were told she was snatched from behind. And we were also informed people in the area heard loud screams and a pair of sandals she was wearing was also found here. But since then, she's been missing without a trace.
She would normally go to her friend, but it's on the back end, and just talk to them and then she come back, or she'd get up early. She always wakes early and then she would wash and then go on the road. But it's not common for her to tell me where she's going.
But then her entire day was shattered by one phone call on Friday.
And I got a call from someone in the community saying they kidnapped my mommy. I'm like, what the hell? So when I went over there, and then I went to the police station, most of the community members were over there. So I don't know. She didn't call anyone to say she was going to meet them, or she didn't make any calls at all that morning or any texts, because both her phones were left at home. And when I went through them, there was nothing to say like where she was going.
Upon further investigation, TVJ News was informed that Ms. Robertson was abducted by a person or persons traveling in a black Honda Step wagon bearing a fake license plate with the numbers 2095JE. However, as the family remains hopeful, they are struggling to understand why someone would abduct Ms. Robertson.
It's always just my mom and I, so no, it's just me. I don't know how to feel. I don't know. I'm just here taking it a day at a time. Like, it's the first time anything like this has ever happened to both of us. I can just imagine how she feels right now.
Do you have any siblings, any other family members?
Yes, she has a son, but he lives with his dad. He's sick, so he doesn't have the mental capacity to understand what's going on.
Described as a good Samaritan in the community, an active member of the church, and a part-time worker at the Electoral Office of Jamaica, we were told Ms. Robertson is loved by many.
My mother would give you her last and then come ask me for my last to give it away. Like, she helps everyone. Like, my mother is not the smartest person, but you'd think she is the smartest. Like, everyone, if they need to fill out any forms, if they need to go to the passport office, anything at all, she's behind them 24/7. Like, sometimes I'm like, you can't stay in. Like, I always telling her, stay inside, but then there's always someone that needs help with something.
The Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch of the Jamaica Constabulary Force is leading the investigation, and we were informed that the police are making significant progress in their probe. But in the meantime, the family has been playing their part by issuing these flyers all over the corporate area. There's also a $500,000 reward for the victim's safe return.
I really just want about my mom. Like, I don't know who to beg, what to say. Like, I'm at a loss for words. I just care about my mom.
Persons with information can contact 876-587-9992, 876-836-7886, or the nearest police station. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.
Still to